Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. We're going to clean these headlights or restore them. I like to use the restoration kit that 3M makes. It's a really good product. They give you everything in the package. You can order it on Amazon. It's down in my link. And it gives you the pad that goes on your drill, all the different sandpapers. It gives you tape to put on the paint so that you don't scuff up the paint. And the most important thing is at the end, it gives you some clear coat, or actually a sealer for your lens. All right, you're going to need a spray bottle with water. Okay, this makes it easier when you're doing the sanding because you want to be able to have water on the lens. It'll make the sanding really good. When you start, clean with the alcohol. Clean the lens with your alcohol first. Okay, then start to spray it with the water, and you can start your sanding. Don't forget to tape it off. Protect the paint. Okay, it's very important to protect the paint. But this kit has everything you'll need. All you'll need is your battery gun, a rag, a spray bottle of water, and it's real simple. All right, let's get started. First, get your tape. Okay, put your tape around on all the painted surfaces. All right, then what you want to do is you want to spray the lens with water and use your most coarse, which I believe this one is an 800 grit. The bigger the number, the finer the sandpaper. Do this process with each sandpaper, going from the most coarse to the most fine. Work it back and forth, spray your water on. Once you're done with the highest grit, it's going to look beautiful. Spray it down with the water, clean everything nice and dry, and then take the sealer that it gives you in a package and rub it onto the lens. This will help protect it for a longer period of time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. All right, give me a thumbs up, guys. See you on the next one.